Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Container houses, often referred to as shipping container homes, are an innovative and sustainable approach to modern housing. These homes are constructed using repurposed shipping containers, typically made of steel, which are no longer in use for transporting goods. Transforming these containers into habitable spaces offers numerous advantages, ranging from environmental sustainability to affordability and flexibility in design. One of the most significant benefits of container houses is their eco-friendliness. By repurposing containers that would otherwise sit unused or be melted down for scrap metal, container homes contribute to reducing environmental waste and pollution. Recycling these containers into living spaces also helps conserve natural resources and reduce the carbon footprint associated with traditional construction materials like concrete and wood. Furthermore, container houses are often more cost-effective than conventional homes. The initial investment in purchasing and modifying a shipping container is typically lower than building a traditional house from scratch. Additionally, container homes can be constructed relatively quickly, which further reduces labor costs. These savings make container houses an attractive option for individuals seeking affordable housing solutions, especially in areas facing housing shortages or high construction costs. Moreover, container houses offer flexibility in design and customization. The modular nature of shipping containers allows for easy stacking and arrangement, enabling homeowners to create unique living spaces tailored to their preferences and needs. Whether it's a cozy single container studio or a spacious multi-level home, the design possibilities are virtually endless. Architects and designers have embraced container homes as a platform for creativity, exploring various layouts, configurations, and aesthetic styles. Another advantage of container houses is their portability. Unlike conventional homes, which are fixed in place, container houses can be easily transported to different locations, making them ideal for individuals who value mobility or temporary housing solutions. This mobility also allows homeowners to adapt to changing circumstances, such as relocation for work or lifestyle changes, without the need to sell or abandon their home. In conclusion, container houses represent a promising alternative to conventional housing, offering a blend of sustainability, affordability, and design flexibility. While they may not be suitable for everyone or every location, container homes provide a creative and practical solution to the challenges of modern living. As technology advances and societal attitudes evolve, container houses are likely to play an increasingly significant role in shaping the future of housing worldwide. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!